Like this, now be smart thing up for inside tribunal last time today was now say na night now at the beginning drop this update too. Also say man, today hearing start very late. Another kind to 5 now hearing start also because of same PDP will conclude their own matter today. They not quite finish their own, so they can't enter into Labour Party time. That's why Labour Party matter start around almost 5 p.m. They can't end by this time of the day. That's why I drop this update for night. So based on one or two make not to waste time. Normally the matter tire rapper not canvas we be both time of his cap. Now no do this the matter they go sharply. We you enter the matter. Bay! Also say yesterday Taco will be the star witness will show up yesterday for tribunal. Now they do examination for yesterday. Today now they say today they go start the cross examination proper. Not to forget to beg as they watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Benki Comedy. I beg, subscription are free. Just help me, just support my ministry based on one or two. I beg. Beg. Now they go straight to cross examination. INEC, where you? Lady. And they start their own cross examination. INEC, what you got to say? Thank you for donating 105 paragraphs of witness statements. Where were you on the day of election? I thank you say I voted at my polling unit 4, Dawaki, Abuja. After voting, I moved to Asokoro situation room of the Labour Party. Then I came back to the polling unit to witness the counting and collation of the result before going back. And Akoto say, will I be correct to say that apart from your polling unit and situation room, you were not physically anywhere else on that day? Tanko say, yes, I was not physically anywhere else apart from the polling unit and situation room. INEC lawyer, what is your designation in Labour Party? Then Tanko say, I am the chief spokesman of the National Campaign Council as well as national director in media Labour Party. Bay, INEC lawyer, it is correct to say that you were not a polling unit or coalition agent for your party in any INEC designation coalition center. I got to say no, except for my polling unit. Bay, INEC lawyer, you confirmed to the court that your party filed several suits before the election. The guy said yes. You confirmed to the court that your party, the guy say, I have a look at the CTC of Federal High Court judgment and confirm if it's one of your suits filed by Labour Party. The guy say yes, it is. INEC lawyer Koto say, I seek to tender the CTC of the judgment, because the code be that, delivered on the 23rd of January 2023. Labour Party lawyer Koto say, I object to the tendering of this document. Not be only when they object. Make Labour Party lawyer say object. What that say that I be the not be talk objection, my lord. Now wow. After Labour Party lawyer call object, second and third responded. Alpha, they say no objection. Fourth responded. Alpha, the guy said no responded. Day! Now the first responded could continue. We will also respond appropriately to the objection written when written address is filed. Now the judge could say CTC is admitted and marked. Beg. INEC lawyer could continue. Please show him the exhibit and read the declaration your party sought. Now do declaration your party doesn't have the power to move from manual to electronic. Also reads judgment of the Federal High Court, which summarily says INEC is at liberty to decide the way and manner of to collate results, whether manual or electronic. So it is the case. It is the case was dismissed. INEC lawyer Koto say, confirm if your party appealed that judgment. The guy Koto say, I'm not aware. So they asked me that kind of thing. Bay, INEC lawyer Koto say, please pull up PCE1 polling unit 048 Ward 07 local government 2 FCT. We also confirm this polling unit 070 Ward 07 local government 07 FCT. Please show them to him. Witness, from those two forms, please tell the court the score in each of the Labour Party. In each of the Labour Party. The witness got to say, I cannot see the result and it's blurred. INEC lawyer got to say, the court cut and short. Got to say, can you see? Now, as the INEC lawyer cut her short, now Labour Party lawyer called provoke. To say, objection, my lord. His answer should be recorded and not shut him down. Oh God, they do say you want to intimidate our witness. Now, what for you? Who they fully they laugh? Ta! Beg. INEC lawyer call fire down. I suggest to you that Labour Party result in that polling unit was 204. The witness got to say, I cannot see as it is mutilated. INEC lawyer, the second polling unit, do you see Labour Party score as 59 and APC as 6 votes? The witness got to say, they are mutilated and blood. Do you suggest they are mutilated or blood? The witness got to say, they are mutilated and blood, Baba. I not put that from my talker. I want for you. But INEC lawyer got to say, your witness deposition in the entirety of 105 paragraphs of his deposition confirmed to this court that you have not stated figures as unlawful votes. The witness got to say, seemingly no. INEC lawyer, look at paragraph 9 of your deposition. You talked about party agents. Confirmed that you had party agents all throughout the polling units in the country. We had 133,000 agents. INEC lawyer, how many polling units in the entirety of the country? Tanko say, I can't remember. Now INEC lawyer could say, arrest my case. Beg. Second and third respondent, which is Tinubu Shetima lawyer. Oh yeah, stand up for your cross-examination. Beg, I start your own. We had 176,904 polling units. You agree? Tanko say yes. Out of that, your party had 133,000 agents. Tanko say yes. Tell my lord when you joined Labour Party. Tanko say, I joined on the 20th of May, 2022. You joined the Labour Party before the first petitioner. The guy say yes. The primary election of Labour Party held on the 30th of May, 2022. The guy say yes. You have the official result as announced by INEC in paragraph 18 of your statement. When they say yes, these are the results that were allocated. Tinubu Shetima Koto say, in that allocation, your party came third. The guy say, yes, my lord. In that, PDP and their candidate, Alhaji Atiku, came second. The guy say, yes, my lord. You voted in Abuja and your party won in your polling unit. The guy say, yes, my lord. The figures given to you at your polling unit, you want the court to avoid it. The guy say, no. In overall results, your party won in all 5 eastern states and 7 other states in Nigeria. Is that right? The guy say yes. If the court are short again. Do you know Peter Obi state? The guy say yes. Anambra state. Peter Obi scored 95.07% in the elections in Anambra state. The guy say, Tanko say, I have not seen it. Tinubu Shetima Koto say, in your statement, it's in your statement, sorry. I can say yes. But you say you never see just Natako. Okay, second and third respondent got say, in the circumstances, you are not satisfied and want the votes voided. Kako say, the results are not uploaded. How do we know what we scored? Second and third respondent got say, where do you live? The guy said Dawaki. What generator do you use? Now this question, I'm not understand what you concern this question, but normally I believe say lawyers, you know, now this is not technical question that they ask for some reasons. Anyway, to cut the matter short, we enter the continuation. What generation do you use? I use I better pass my neighbor generator. Now the judge could say, what is that? Everybody for court called boss laugh. And the guy could say, a small generator. Bang! You bought it as a result of the constant power outage. The guy say yes. You have a phone. The guy say yes. Sometimes your phone calls don't go through because of network, right? The guy could say yes, seemingly so. In paragraph 100, you stated that you can identify results obtained from IREV forms and other forms. So you that a lot of unlawful votes were allocated to the second respondent. And the Tanko Koto say, our expert presented evidence on that regard. The lawyer Koto say, do you know what your expert presented? Tanko Koto say, I was not in court because I was a witness, so I don't know. But second and third respondent Koto say, relief 2 in 103. you want the petitioners declared because the votes called by the second respondent are wasted votes. So please tell the court how. Night court talks say those were ascertained by the experts. The lawyer court say, will you tell my lord what you want the court to do with the votes of the person who came second? Tanko court say, we already said we want our candidate declared. Lawyer court say, please show the court where you mention the second respondent anywhere in your statement. Tanko court say, we challenge the result of the elections entirely, and it affects the result of Atiku Abubakar. Lawyer court say, so you want the court to cancel the result of the votes of LPE? Tanko court say, if the results were made on IREV, that won't be the case. You want the first petitioner declared winner because he scored the highest number of valid votes. Can you tell us the results? Tanko court say, our experts gave a report, which is not me. The court say, do you know? Let's go say, no, I don't, because the experts already know. The three court say, thank you and good evening. I end the case. Now the court say, fourth respondent, which is APC. Where are you? Where you dey? I say, I dey here, my lord. My lord say, dey with me. Come for your cross examination. Bang! That is start your own. Hey. The report of your experts, Chibukwe Ugboke, is the final report. The guy say yes. I put it to you that in giving your deposition, you considered all the documents you mentioned, including the expert depositions. The guy can say yes, except the expert deposition. APC can say all the exhibits you came to identify yesterday, you didn't ascertain the content of the envelopes in that boxes. Tanko Koto say, I didn't open all of them yesterday. APC Koto say, as the chief press secretary, you received information from INEC from time to time. When they say all the right information came through the national chairman or secretary. APC Koto say, you are aware that on the 23rd of February, INEC said that they will not upload results electronically. Now Tanko Koto say, no, I am only aware of the statements INEC chairman and Okoye made. APC Koto say, can I have exhibit PCQ? Those are receipts obtained from citizenry of some INEC documents tendered here. Gako say yes. Please confirm that some of these documents of the receipts were obtained on the 6th of April, 31st of March, 1st of April, 4th of April, 6th of April, 25th of April 2023. Tanko Koto says 16th March, 20th March, 15th March, 4th of April, 31st of March, 21st of March, 20th of March. Now the APC Koto say you mentioned you also relied on the documents you mentioned in 102 of your deposition. The guy could say yes. APC Koto say the documents you mentioned in items paragraph 102, LMNO, VV, all those are code, were not tendered, as well as page 33, JJMN00 and RR. Now Tanko Koto say because of time we were not able to tender. Now people from APC side they call boss laugh. APC squad they call boss laugh when it Tanko talk that thing. I don't know that they laugh. Now the judge can say this is not a circus. Why will you be laughing? Very good. APC Koto say you also rely on the evidence of forensic experts. The witness say yes. Your deposition was made on March 20th and relying on all you obtained in April. Are you aware that the final result of your expert was in May 2023, but the post in March 2023? The guy could say yes. Now APC Koto say you agree that this issue which you brought to court is about transmission and violence. Witness Koto say we had two grounds on double nomination and a court and short. APC Koto say on double nomination, look at the judgment against PDP delivered on the 26th of May 2023. Witness court say yes. Now the APC court say I seek to tender it. The court come admit him. Moving on, APC court say you know that by that judgment the issue of double nomination has been settled. Now the witness say no. Now the APC now PDP they do not they use PDP matter until they judge the paper. I think God beg you. APC court say that's all. You arrest my case. The court can say any re-examination, Labour Party lawyer court say no. And the court will say witness, you are discharged. Bay, Labour Party lawyer, live court will say, let's call another witness. As we talk that one, APC lawyer court stand up talk again, say yesterday was their last day because PDP and Labour Party started same day and same time. Second and third respondent, which is Tinubu Shetima lawyer court will say scheduling is still today, 23rd of June. We are opposing to any extension and any elongation. The court will say, how many witnesses do you have? Labour Party lawyer court will say 2 more, my lord. And the judge court will say we will take a 10 minutes break and continue with them. Further one, they could take 10 minutes break, make everybody for go rest for national days. From there, myself I still go continue with my bottled water, make I take clear my throat. Because today matter tara be small. Bay as I come back. Now a Labour Party lawyer, Dr. Livin, sharply, no waste time. Now he called the next witness. Bay! As he called the next witness, now examination starts. Labour Party lawyer comes and say, what is your name? The guy say Yari. You are here on subpoena. The guy say, yes, my lord. You have it here. The guy say, yes, I do. We seek to tender the subpoena. Hey, as he seek to tender the court, which is Justice Samani, that guy. Why he use one eye look. That guy call admit him, tag him as evidence. Now Labour Party lawyer could continue. Can you recognize your deposition? The guy say yes. He say how? He say with the signature and name. From there, now Labour Party lawyer can say, take a look and let's know if that is the deposition. If that is the deposition, Yari. The witness court will say, yes, it is. Labour Party lawyer court will say, do you want to adopt this statement as evidence before the court? The guy say, yes. All the respondents, all of them come object as normal. As they object, and Nasabi, they say admittant. Bang. Now they say time for cross-examination. I need lawyer. Larry. The guy court show. I need lawyer court start your own cross-examination. Bang! The guy starts. Yari, what role did you play on election day? The guy say I was the presiding officer. You were trained by INEC on how to play your role? The guy say yes. And that training includes how to use beavers? The guy say yes. You successfully used the beavers for accreditation of voters? The guy said no. So there was no accreditation in your place? The guy said yes. There was accreditation? The guy said no. So did they vote on that day? The guy said yes, they did. And like say, and you successfully counted the votes? The guy said yes. Did you record the votes? The guy could say, I recorded the votes. And the lawyer could say, and you recorded manually? The guy said yes. The only problem you mentioned on your statement is that it didn't upload. The guy said yes. You didn't say you have problem with accreditation. The guy said I did. Now Justice Samani court say maybe he doesn't know the meaning of accreditation. People call laugh. People for APC corner because the people they follow they laugh. And the lawyer court say for a presiding officer that would be disappointing. Now the Justice court say then it is you people's fault in INEC. The court will call laugh. But by this time everybody don't tire. And the court say so you had problem with accreditation and uploading? The guy say yes, my lord. This did you report it? The guy say yes. Now and the court say that will be all. Tinubu Shetima lawyer, Larry, come ask your question. And the guy Tinubu Shetima lawyer come say you were at the unit. The guy say yes. Every party agent signed the copy. The guy say yes. And the Tinubu Shetima lawyer court say that will be all. Very short. Everybody don't tire, Baba. I'm not going to blame them. Everybody don't tire. Fourth respondent. That is APC lawyer. Come do your own. Now APC lawyer start say, witness, every party agent signed the copy and had their copy. You want to say yes. Now the guy said that will be all. Only one question APC lawyer asked this guy. Any re-examination? They say no re-examination. From there, now Labour Party lawyer can stand up. He can't close the case for Labour Party. As he close the case for Labour Party, everybody calls shock. Even myself are shocked because before we go break, it's something like 2 more witnesses than you get. Now Labour one don't come. I think you can say you the close case because normally now today that be the last day for Labour Party for the petitioners, which is Labour Party and Peter Obi for them to talk their own case. As the talk that one finished, now the first respondent come, which is INEC, to say now the court asked the first respondent to say, when will you start your case? Because after this one now the respondents now go start their own defense. First respondent na INEC. Court ask and say, when will you start your case? Now the first respondent court say, he can't joke. Court say, I'm still waiting for the 38 more witnesses out of the 50. Just saying that 50 because they go bring. APC camp called laugh. As we already pleaded in the consolidated case of PDP, we hope to come back on the 3rd of July. And the court say, no, wala. Second and third respondent, how far? When you want to start your own? The court will say the same thing, sir. Fourth respondent, when you want to do your own? They say the same 3rd of July, sir. Now, Low Party lawyer called Sando Koto say, a short while ago, my brother 6 gave me the impression that following the hearing schedule is mandatory, and they are supposed to start today. However, if they want that date, then I don't want a problem. I am showing them that I am not as difficult as they are. The guy just say normally, based on if you want to follow the schedule, because they thought say follow that schedule now, they compulsion to follow the schedule. If you want to follow that schedule, normally these people supposed to start their own defense today as we finish our own. But based on say they don't say they want to start 3rd of July, make nobody like say I get bad mind they take get. I don't want to behave like that. No, I agree. Make them move on to 3rd of July as they talk. As they thought that one no bay. Now the court can say the matter is hereby adjourned to 3rd of July. That's Monday, 3rd of July. So from 3rd of July, now they go start defense. We enter another level of bass for this matter. Today, this matter, we don't start, I'll go follow up to the end. Anyway, we did, as they watch the video, don't forget to share and make other people will get interest for this tribunal matter. They see them, they know what they sub for the tribunal lifestyle. Anyway, just thank God for everything.